Hey everybody, I'm Tommy Dwyer, principal here at Shore Middle School. This morning we had an all-school assembly as part of Start with Hello Week. Some of the things we did this morning was celebrating all the PBIS rewards points earned by our students the past few weeks. 44,687 points for positive behaviors. Give yourselves a round of applause for displaying the traits of being safe, respectful, responsible, and just kind here at your Shore Middle School. In addition, our mascot, Carl the Cardinal, we celebrated his 3rd birthday. He brought in the torch of kindness, which is something that we are stressing this year as a visual reminder for students to display those traits and just being kind here at Shore. In addition, we had 8 brave souls who participated in a double dare style assembly, which they answered trivia questions specific to middle school students, as well as numerous physical challenges, and ending with our blue team winning and getting to complete the 8-person obstacle course.
3, 2, 1!
I am my team, the blue team, the big winners of the day. I think it was like 55 to 10, we dominated.
The blue team has won.
This PBIS assembly is so important. The kids have been working hard at the beginning of the school year to earn their PBIS points, to be safe, responsible, respectful, and kind here at Shore. They've been doing a great job, and this was an activity to keep them on the right track.
Here are your trophies. These are solid gold.